Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial of Slidescope. In this tutorial, we are learning about stock market analysis and prediction, and we'll be doing it with the help of LSTM. LSTM are long short-term memory networks that use ANN, which is artificial neural network in the field of AI and deep learning. So we'll give some basic information of this. This is going to be a two-part video. So in the first part, we'll be doing some exploratory analysis, understanding different libraries that will be involved in this project, and then we will continue with the machine learning application. Before starting, if you want to learn Python pandas, then we have this Udemy course. We are giving away this course for free. Anyone who is interested in getting this course for free, uh, we will provide a simple link in the description where you can give us your names or emails, and we will give you the coupon codes that you can use to enroll in this course for free. We also request you to subscribe to our channel, which will give us some kind of motivation for creating videos like this. Let's continue with the stock market analysis then. So the first thing that we have to do is we have to install this package called Y Finance. So as you can see here, it is data from Yahoo Finance API. So first thing, you have to install Y Finance. Next, we have to import pandas SPD in order to read the data sets and create data frames. Then we have to import NumPy as NP for numerical Python. Import matplotlib.pyplot SPLT for plotting different type of graphs. Importing Seaborn as SNS again for plotting graphs. And this is just a thing, this is just a style which we are setting: white grid, you can set dark grid, and different type of other styles also. On our channel Color Stack, we have a detailed data analysis playlist where you can go and learn pandas, you can go and learn matplotlib, Seaborn, everything is there. And as I said, if you want, we can give a free course so that you can go and learn the basics. If you already know the basics, or if you even don't know the basics, just understand that these packages will be used to connect data and then plot some graphs. So next is a set of code for reading stock data from Yahoo Finance API. From panda data reader dot data import data reader. So data reader, as the name suggests, is used for reading data. Then we will import Y Finance as YF, and from pandas data reader import data as PDR. So this is what we do to import the data, which you will see in just 2 minutes. And this is the official page of Y Finance library. You can see here you have tips to install Y Finance, and then you can see if you want to suppose read data of Microsoft, then you can do yf.ticker MSFT. And these are the different type of codes given here which will help you in understanding. So as you can see, import Y Finance as YF, and then you can download. So we have prepared the code. We will just uh, use this PDR override. So in Python, YF PDR override is a function call used in conjunction with the Y Finance library. The Y Finance library, as we said, is a popular tool for fetching historical market data from Yahoo Finance. The PDR override function is used to override the default behavior of the pandas data reader library when fetching data from Yahoo Finance. It allows you to customize certain parameters or behaviors of the data fetching process. So it is just for customization. Now next, we will import a library called datetime, obviously, because we have to do stock prediction and analysis, and stock data totally depends upon time. Here the tech stocks will use for analysis like APL, Geo, OG, MSFT, AMZS, and you can use a code of your choice. These are the company codes. That, you can use any code you want. As we can see here, we have different options, and if you want to try more codes, there is this website called Financial Modeling Prep, where uh, they have a API that they provide for testing. So where you can provide name of the or the symbol of that company and currency, and you can learn more here. So if you want to explore this, we also have a dedicated tutorial for this particular financial modeling prep API, and you can get more codes from here. But if you want to just learn, like you can see here, AAPL, CLUST, so you can use other codes. We are just using the tech codes, like the tech companies, and set up and a start times for data grab. Sorry. Now end time will be date time now, and start time will be end year -1. So we'll be taking this year -1 year data, and this is a start. So this particular method takes the value of year, the month, and the day. So you will provide year, end month, and end day as your start point. So that's how we can set up end and start time, because we want to fetch data within a given period. Now we will simply download the data. So for a stock in tech list, which is this list that we have provided, and a stock is just a variable that we are using. We are using globals stock, and we are using yf.download. Stock is again the variable start and end. So this is a simple code which will download data from Yahoo Finance. So let's run this code. As you can see, download has completed. It has run 4 times. Now let's put this code into this particular piece of code will put the code in pandas df. So just use the strings. So here this is the company list that we have used, and just we have written their simple name. So what is the name of this symbol, so that we can understand, and form company comma com name in zip company name company list. So we are just using the zip method to attach company name with this, and with their symbol names, and then we are using the concat function. We have a dedicated chapter for concat function also, even on our channel and in the tutorial that I just mentioned for Udemy. Concat function, as the name suggests, joins two data frames. So what we are doing, as you can see, we have 4 such data frames here. So we'll concat them, and tail method will just print the last 10 records. So here we just have to use these AAPL geo, the symbols without strings here. And now you can see the data. We have open, high, low, close, and volume and company name. So adjusted code, and here you can see the company name is coming instead of the symbol. And let's see how many total values are there. So in RDF, total of 1008 values are there. Let's do df dot head 5. Let's see what are the top 5 records there. So you can see in top we have Apple, then we'll have Google, then we'll have MSFT and MZN or Amazon. So this is how you can fetch the data, and now we have data of 4 companies. So we are on W3 schools, and let's see what this zip does actually. So suppose there is one list or tuple called where we have these names John, Charles, Mike, which in our case will be AMZN, Apple, and so on. And then we have, because tuple is ordered, list is also ordered. So in B list we have Jenny, Christy, Monica. And if we do a zip of A and B, so what it will do is it will attach John with Jenny, Charles with Christy, and Mike with Monica. So that's what happening here. When we did this, we had a company list, we have a company name. So what it is doing for us is uh, we these four we have these 4 data frames. Now APL is a data frame. Okay, the way we are using globals here with the help of globals. So AAPL, GOOG, MSFT, and AMZN. These are 4 data frames. Again, there is a different way of doing this also, but this way, what we don't have to group by or filter and select only Apple's data or only Amazon's data. What we can do here is AAPL. If you will do this, this will just give you Apple's data frame, which will have only Apple company's data. So, and if you will write something like describe, right? So it will take all the numerical variables and describe it. It will give us count, mean, standard deviation, minimum, first quartile, second quartile, third quartile, maximum. It will give you all these values. So this is a simple way of doing this. So this globals here is just, it's a trick which has been done to set these data frame names. Okay. So now you can understand we have these 4 data frames, and now let's analyze them. Now we are trying to find out correlation between different stock and their closing prices. So we will simply get all the closing prices for tech stock list into one data frame. So closing DF is the new data frame. Using PDR and getting that data Yahoo, we will use tech list, which is list of our data frames. List this tech list here. List of name of companies. This is the tech list. So we'll use the list of name of companies, start and end time period, and we will select this column which is adjusted closing or adjusted close price. So and then this is tech returns, something the name that they have given. So tech returns closing data frame dot percentage change, and let's see what we got in tech returns. So you can see here uh, we have the percentage change in their closing returns. So it has more values actually based on the starting and end date. So let's just run. You can see it has 252 rows. So it has Apple, Amazon, Google, and Microsoft. These are the names. Their closing values, right? And which are date wise their closing value. In the actual data set, we have them in different rows. So based on the date, we have kind of grouped them together in columns. So in Seaborn library, we have joint plot, which can be used to compare daily returns of Google and Microsoft or any 2 companies. So here in X, on X axis we will put GOOG, which is symbol of Google. On Y axis we will put MSFT, which is symbol of Microsoft. Data is again our technical returns data frame that we have, and kind that we are going to do is scatter. We can use line plot, scatter plot, and let's run this. So you can see here, right? So let's open this image in a new tab. So here you can see on x-axis you have distribution of values for Google data, and on y-axis you have distribution of values for Microsoft data, and you can see how they are related with each other. So now we can see that if two stocks are perfectly and positively correlated with each other, a linear relationship between its daily return value should occur. Suppose we do this for MSFT versus MSFT. So you will be seeing a straight line because you are comparing the same data with the same data. So let's see. You can see here, right? Which gives an indication that what joint plot does. So again, this is the first part. In the second part, we'll continue with some more exploratory analysis. So stay tuned, and please subscribe to our channel if you want to watch more videos on data analytics, machine learning, AI, and similar topics. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.